All right, today we're gonna bring in some LED lights that we're gonna set up today. We had some existing ones around our actual room here, my daughter's room here, but they broke down and they failed. These are a lot sturdier, a little bit stronger and better. So we're gonna set up two lights, split them up in the room, so it's gonna go all around and see how beautiful it looks at night. So let's go ahead and do that and set them up. So let's go see what you get first. The lights are enclosed in an actual airtight bag. Information about your controller, the actual module to control it manually, and of course a long controller that you can control the actual all the functions. It has plenty of functions, different settings, different lighting settings, and dimmers too. So this is going to be fun. And of course they take power, so you got to make sure you get the power. You got to plug it in, and we got two of these. So we're going to spread these out. Just to let you guys know, these have a double-sided adhesive, so you could tape them up to the wall so you don't need anything else. We actually had them for maybe a year or two, and they never fell off. So let's go ahead and set these up and see how they look. All right, so you can control the lights here. You can change the colors. Right now, as you guys can see, it's a demo, right? So we're gonna do solid. We're gonna change the solid. We're gonna change all these colors. And if you ever wanted white, you could change white. Now, if you lose the controller, don't worry. You have functions in your hands. You got the colors. You can change the colors here. Change the colors. Let's go ahead and change this color to that color. Different colors. And then speeds, you can change the speeds in case of changing. And the demo mode will do the audio. So it has a microphone that it picks up. Test 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. And there's your microphone. So we're going to set these up today and see how well they look. All right, this is very important, guys, so you don't mess it up. There's two arrows. They have to meet. That's to have this module connect to the actual power source. So just make sure you do it properly. You can't mess this up. The two arrows have to be meet, and it does it on both sides. All right, so we're going to set up the LED lights in here, and we're going to split them from here and see how they work. All right, beautiful lighting. We're still gonna add another light to it, but look at this, where they meet. I have the control module in there, where it goes halfway there, and we're gonna go ahead and set it up at night. So right now I do have the controller. I am gonna put audio for right now. So the best thing about it, you can set up for minutes too. You could do 30 minutes all the way to 120 minutes, all right? So, and then if you ever wanna do the volume, and you could do different jumps. So let's go ahead and change it to 1. That's 1 right now, if you guys can see. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. We're gonna do jump 2. Test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Different color lighting. Number 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. And then 4. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. They stay on. When you talk is when they change. Let's do jump. Let's do another one. Fade. Fade, quick, slow, flash. And then the last one, which is going to be auto. We're going to put auto. So that's a little flashy right now for me. So we're going to put this one back. And if you ever want more light, you can always do white. Change it to white completely and white out your room. This is perfect if you're gonna have a stream, if you're gonna game, or you just want extra light for your room. Beautiful. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.